I hope that hello. I hope that you will be fine. I'm recording this video just to show you that the I have developed a bot which will scrap numerous amount of fields. Okay, from one of the Porsche website, and here is the code file of that particular bot. First, I will explain you how the bot is currently working. Okay, actually, the bot is scrapping a numerous amount of fuels for my client. Okay, a client business. His business is entirely related to the vehicles or cruisers or cars, or in this type of businesses he may be interested. Okay, and this is the scrapper which I have made, and you are looking, and let me clarify you that how it is working. Look at this is the particular website where the scrapper is going to be running. Okay, actually for many there were a lot of means that dealership, and each dealership have their own specific products. So my client requirement was that he will provide me a one of the list in which there may be a numerous amount of dealerships and their name and their URL. My goal was to scrap all the dealership and to get all of their product and make a separate CSV file for each dealership. Okay, this was my goal. I have performed this project successfully, and let me show over there. This is just like my script which is in the current state running, and you can also check it from there. Okay, the port is running in such a way that it is, let me show you. uh, these are the means that dealership which the bot is automatically created, means that the bot is first targeting that specific dealership and scrapping all the vehicles and putting them in the CSV file. Okay, and this all the thing done for that particular, and the in this way the bot is currently running. Okay, now it has created three CSV file. Let me show you the output of that also. Look at this is my static folder and dealership project, and let me show you that how it is working. Okay, hold on. Okay, yes, look at this. This is the scrapping script which my dealership is currently scrapped, and this is just like the record for one dealership. Okay, let me show you in a very careful manner. Control B. It is also handling the things which are not available. Okay, they are just skipping, not the boat is crashing. The main thing is that the boat is not being crashed when it found nothing in that particular field. You see over there that there are numerous amount of fields, and the many more things are there. Look at this, there are around about 25 to 30 fields are there, and these fields were from different angles. These are not the easy project, but I have successfully completed that project also. Okay, and look at this, the everything is going to be well. You can see there the no comment found. It means that for that dealership there was comments portion was empty, so the boat is handling excellent in an excellent manner. And look at this, mileage not founded, means that this dealership was having not any mileage value. Okay, and you can also see it from there. Previously there was three script, now it has made the fourth script. Let me run this one, in which there is numerous amount of field. Hold on. Okay, hold on, let me show you how it's working, and let me adjust the height column. Okay, yes, now you can also see it from there, the everything is scrapping perfectly. And now in the that case the commits value is also being present. Look at this, in the previous dealership it was empty, but now it is filled because the bot has founded that fields. Okay, goodbye. And another thing is that I was also there to deploy this bot on the remote server, means that this is my client remote server. I have to deploy that whole the bot and make it to run 12 hour per day means that after 12 hour the boat will have to wait, and then after 12 hour the boat will have to run for all the scripts. Okay, and this is just like the server of my remote servers of my server on which I have to deploy this. Okay, I think that everything will be clear, and it's okay. Let me stop this. Okay, let me show. Okay, hold on.